6B presents Snore by Michael Roses and Jonathan Lane.
All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep, cat was asleep, cow was asleep, sheep was asleep, pig was asleep, and so were all the piglets.
I so peaceful too. Sheep and cat wake up, cow wake up, sheep woke up, pig woke up, and so the other piglets.
It was so loud no one could sleep. Not cat or cow or sheep or pig, nor all the piglets.
How can we get dog to stop snoring so we can all get back to sleep? Said cat.
I know, said cow. And cow went up the rock and went achoo! Right down his ear.
I know, said sheep. And sheep went up the dog and went
Boo!
right down his ear.
I know, said pig. And pig went up to dog and went he, right down his ear. And all the piglets went he.
I know, said cat. We don't listen to him. Maybe that will stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep.
So cat went brr.
And cow went moo.
And sheep went meh.
And pig went oink and all the piglets went oink 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 oink.
Then as the sun rose over the trees, Rocket woke up with a cock-a-doodle.
And dog woke up with a ooh, and how he trotted down the road after his good night's sleep.
But cat and cow and sheep and pig and all the piglets were so tired